Students, this video is on energy. So in class 6 we have read about work. Okay. So what is work? If we apply some force on an object and if the object displaces from its initial position, then we can say that the force has done a work. Okay. And the measure of work done is equal to force into displacement. Okay. So anything we do is a work. Okay. Like walking, running, doing something, anything that makes displacement will do work. Okay. So if we apply some force on an object and the object displaces from its position, initial position, then we can say that the object has done some work, or you can say that the force applied on that object has done some work. Okay. And the measure of work is work done is equal to force into displacement. The SI unit of work is joule. Okay. Now, work done is equal to force into displacement, and the unit of force in SI is 1 Newton and the unit of displacement in SI is 1 meter. So, as work done is equal to force into displacement, that means 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton into 1 meter. Okay. So, 1 Newton meter is said as 1 joule. Okay. So the SI unit of work is joule. Now, what is energy? Energy is the reason behind any work. Okay. We cannot measure directly any energy, so we measure the work done by that energy, and that will be the measure of that energy too. Okay. So the unit of energy is also, the SI unit of energy is also joule. That means the unit of energy and the unit of work is same. Okay. Energy is the reason and work is the result. That means if we have to do some work, we need energy to do that work. Okay. We cannot measure directly any energy, so we measure energy by the work done by it. Okay. So we do running, we do walking, we do writing, anything we do, the reason behind that work is energy, and we got that energy from the food we intake. Okay. So work is the result and energy is the reason. Okay. So, and the unit of energy and work is same. Okay. Both in SI unit, for the both energy and work, the SI unit is joule. Okay. So what is the definition of the energy? Energy is the ability of a body to do work. Okay. Energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only be converted from one form to another. Okay. So energy is the ability of a body to do work, or energy is the reason behind any work. And the point that should be noted, that energy cannot be created or destroyed. Okay. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. Energy can be converted from one form to another form. So that is something which should be remembered about energy. Okay. Now different forms of energy.